Hey, ever thought about what it means to experiment? Most of us think of beakers, lab coats, and bubbling potions. We picture students in a science fair, nervously presenting their volcano-making skills. And yes, that's a classic example of an experiment. But what if I told you that experimenting isn't just for science class? Think about your favorite hobby. Maybe you love to bake. The first time you tried a new recipe, you were running an experiment. What happens if you swap out white sugar for brown sugar? What if you use less flour? You're testing a hypothesis, observing the results, and learning what works and what doesn't. You're a culinary scientist, and your kitchen is your lab. Or maybe you're into fashion. Putting together a new outfit is an experiment. What happens if you pair that vintage jacket with modern sneakers? Will those two colors clash or create a new style? You're playing with variables, seeing how they interact, and getting feedback from the world around you. Your closet is full of possibilities, and every time you get dressed, you're conducting a new test. Even something as simple as finding a new route to work is an experiment. You hypothesize that taking a different street will be faster. You try it out, you observe the traffic, you measure your travel time, and you come to a conclusion. This is the scientific method in action, just without the fancy terminology. The truth is, experiments are everywhere because they're fundamental to how we learn and grow. An experiment is really just a structured way of trying something new. It's about asking a question and then creating a small, controlled way to find the answer. It's the engine of progress, innovation, and personal development. Whether you're an artist trying out a new medium, an athlete adjusting their training routine, or a writer testing a new plot twist, you're experimenting. So, the next time you hear the word experiment, don't just think of science projects. Think of your kitchen, your closet, your studio, or your commute. Think about any time you've tried something new, failed, learned, and then tried again. Because experimenting isn't just something we do in school. It's something we do every single day to make sense of our world and our place in it.